Hey guys, Tinker Golf Man here, and today I want to give you guys a look at a shoe that I just recently picked up. This is the Nike Lunar Control Vapor 2 QS. QS stands for Quick Strike, so it's going to be a limited edition shoe. Not sure if retailers are going to have them. I know I picked up my pair online on Nike.com, and here it is. So your generic Nike orange box, iconic orange box. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. My first time opening this, I haven't even taken a look at the shoe myself. So you get your Nike Golf warranty information. So again, these shoes do come with a 2-year waterproof warranty. That way, in case you get any liquid or anything in the shoe and it's damaged, then you have a warranty claim that you could put in. But let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the shoe here. This is the left side of the shoe. So this is part of the Magnolia print pack. So this is Masters Week 2018. So you're gonna notice some of the design elements in the shoe is supposed to be reminiscent of the azalea flowers that you see at Augusta National Golf Club. So you can see the pink purplish kind of tones behind the swoosh and kind of goes through to the inner side of the shoe here. So this is my first pair of the Nike Lunar Control Vapor 2. I have seen the other colors being worn on tour from the Nike staff, but this is the first one that I've picked up this year. So again, this is the left side of the shoe, and let's go ahead and take a look at the right side. So looks like the pattern is pretty unique because I don't see the same exact pattern or design that's on the left shoe on the right shoe. So notice here it's a little bit more pink purple on the right side outer and not so much on the inside. So very similar to the Nike Lunar Control Vapor, the first one that they had. So this is one of the colors that I've been picked up last year, and very similar shoe in regards to the bottom of the shoe. They went back with the same AIT, which is articulated integrated traction. So spikeless in the sense that you're not having to change out the spikes yourself. It's built into the shoe, and I've been loving this shoe. Like, this is one of my favorite golf shoes because of the design aesthetic and the comfort in being able to walk with this shoe for long periods amount of time. So been loving this shoe. Can't wait to try this shoe out. Looks like they brought back the full length Lunar Lawn midsole. So this part of the shoe. So if you guys have been playing with some of the more modern Nike golf shoes, the Lunar Lawn has been in use for some time, but I honestly think that with the Lunar Lawn, this is what makes Nike Golf stand out with a comfortable shoe in the market when you're playing golf. So let's talk about some of the technology that they put in. So Nike's calling this outer part of the shoe Nike Skin. So not too sure what the material is being used right here, but it looks like it's something that they're probably bringing in from like the basketball world where this piece is probably one piece out and is molded together with glue with the upper part of the shoe, but not too sure. Don't quote me on that. But again, they're calling this this material up here Nike Skin. So it's supposed to be a comfortable, adaptive material that as you walk through it, you're not going to see too much creasing. Kind of goes back to its original shape. So that's pretty cool and unique. They've brought back dynamic fly wire, so it's a little bit more hidden here as compared to the previous shoe. Here you can see the fly wire on the outside of the shoe, so it's a little bit more visible as compared to this year's shoe, which is a little bit more hidden. So it's going to be these little black kind of like shoestring kind of things that are going inside of the shoe. So again, if you guys aren't familiar, dynamic fly wire is that lockdown technology that Nike has brought, which you probably have seen in basketball or running shoes. They brought it back into golf for this year in 2018. So when you tighten up the laces here, you get that full fit on your foot and locks you down. So they're bringing back dynamic flywire. Again, they have brought back Lunar from last year's shoe, and the bottom of the shoe, which is the AIT, the Articulated Integrated Traction. This one is just a unique one because they have the I want to call it the chameleon coloring. If you guys have been kind of following up with some of the limited tour players shoes, I believe Jason, they have put something like this in play on a couple other model shoes, and it's great to see that they brought it back and put it into a shoe that consumers can buy. There is one that I have seen online of this color shoe in a white and pink. I think Rory was wearing it during the practice day on Monday for the Masters of 2018. But regardless, I'm very happy that a lot of the technology from 2017 crossed over into this shoe, because I've been in love with this shoe in terms of comfort, durability, the grip that you get from the outsole of the shoe, and the integrated traction. So I'm not having to go out there and buy golf spikes, after a couple rounds. So I've put all my shoes to, a wear and tear, and these have held up pretty good. So I'm pretty excited to put these out in play this year for 2018. So yeah, looks like they brought back the cut tongue. So if you're familiar, when you put the shoes on, this doesn't, and it's a soft material up here, which is very similar to last year's shoe. It's hard to see on this black, but it's cut so that when you walk with the golf shoe, it keeps this open so that you're not getting, cuts from like other material, like from previous shoes where you'd get the top part of your foot here get, scathed up. So glad they brought that back. Looks like there's some unique insole design there, which is always cool. So it looks like the same flower azalea pattern on the insole, just a different color pattern inside, brought from the outside. So kind of bringing that motif back into the inside of the shoe. So yeah, you get the Nike hit on the back. Actually says the word Nike as compared to the last year's shoe. Did not say anything except Lunar line on the midsole. And here's the top view, side, bottom. Says this chrome finish will flake off with use over time. Okay, so that's one thing that I was kind of wondering was, is this color gonna last? But I mean, that's expected. It's the bottom of the golf shoe. I mean, you're just hoping that the technology holds up over time. I'm not too worried about the coloring of it. And the size there. So these shoes retailed for $175 online. I hope you were able to get them. If you guys follow me on Instagram at TinkerGolfMan or Twitter, you'll see some more pictures of these shoes, me wearing them. Hopefully, you'll see some of the guys on tour, Nike staff, wearing the shoe for the Masters. But thank you guys for watching, and hopefully see you guys on the course.